starting with the Westman Atelier Contour Stick in shade Truffle, and I'm using it as a bronzer here. Next, I'm going in with my favorite Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. Notice how I'm using a fluffy brush first, and then setting it all in with a sponge. To set my concealer and reduce any extra shine, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Loose Powder. Dior Forever Glow Maximizer in shade Bronze and Rosy are my highly recommended products from last year. I'm using shade Bronze here. You just need a little bit, and wow, adding a little bit to my forehead as well so it looks very balanced. Talking about needing a little amount, Rare Beauty Blush in shade Happy. This is very pigmented, so adding a little to my cheeks only. Oh, and don't forget the nose. Adding a little glow using Westman Atelier Highlight Stick in Nectar. Not too much though. Since this look is all about that bronzed, glowy look, for the eyes I'm using the powder component of the Patrick Top Blush in shade She's So LA. Let's add a little shine to the corner of our eyes using Dior Backstage Palette. I cannot talk enough about this lip combo. I'm using CD's Lip Cheat in shade Hot Gossip and Huda Beauty Lip Contour in shade Pinky Brown. These lip contours are my favorite thing to exist. Matte or gloss, they literally are the star of the look. Pink and brown shade enhances the whole bronze look with a little bit of shy pink. Going in with my CD Flawless Filter, applying it wherever there might be any shine left. Huda Beauty Fox Filler glosses are so thick. I apply a little and then use my finger to spread it out. And done!